Hey everybody, welcome to today's Neighborhood Spotlight. Today we're going to be spotlighting Sausalito Shores, which is basically two communities in one. Right now we're passing through Sausalito condos, which in 2020 so far, or 21, what year are we in? They've only sold 4 with a median sales price of $213 and then 11 days on the market. So as we continue, we start coming up into the neighborhood, which is a bunch of single-family homes. In this neighborhood, you're probably close to almost 300 single-family homes. So, which there's a homeowners meeting, looks like tonight. Well, was on Tuesday. That was last night. So, in this neighborhood, we do have a couple cul-de-sacs, as well as a roundabout that we're going through. Now, as we continue to go down here, you end up having, in front of us is a bunch of homes. These homes are located off of Lake Howell. Lake Howell is a skiable lake within Casselberry. It's a pretty good sized lake. And we probably only have 12 to 15 homes on the lake. As you can tell as we drive around here, they got nice tree-lined streets. Makes it very peaceful. In 2020, Sausalito Shores has only sold 15 homes. So not a lot of activity for a neighborhood as big as it is. And so as we continue around here, we come up to the clubhouse. At the clubhouse, you actually have basketball courts, tennis courts, there's a pavilion, it's off the lake, there's a playground, and there's even places where if you wanted to, you can reserve spots for RV parking in the back of the neighborhood. The typical HOA on here is about $120 a month or a year, and it's optional, so you do not have to pay it. Here is the second roundabout within the neighborhood. Now as we continue, here's one of the cul-de-sacs right here on the right. Now, median sales price for 2021 in this neighborhood is $290,000. Days on market has been about 5 for 2021. So it's a pretty hot market in here. The homes, on average, it varies, but they're about 1,500 square feet, nothing crazy. But, you know, it's nice, moderate price. Now, this neighborhood is located in the city limits of City of Casselberry. City of Casselberry also does what's called a Santa run in early December, so they actually bring out the police and a trailer, and Santa comes around throwing candy out and waving to all the little kitties. So, which is always a nice little feature in the neighborhood. The neighborhood has 2 entrances. One is located off of Cimarron or 436. The other one is located off of Redbug Road. The neighborhood is also zoned for Sterling Park Elementary, South Seminole, and Lake Howell High School. As we continue up here, there's a plaza at the very beginning off of Redbug, 436. In that plaza, it is Bear's Furniture Store, as well as there are a few places where you can work out up there. One of the plazas has Planet Fitness, and the other one has Crunch. This neighborhood actually used to have 3 entrances, with 2 of them being off Redbug, but we ended up closing one of those entrances off when we were out here doing the new road on Redbug with the flyover, and they made it into a little park area. Like I mentioned, the HOA is optional, but you get a lot of features with the HOA, and buying into the HOA, you actually get discounts for purchases of renting the clubhouse. The clubhouse has a bunch of tables and chairs, It has a kitchen, it has bathrooms. So if you're looking to host a party, it's definitely optimal for that. But this is pretty much Sausalito Shores. Good neighborhood, built back in late 70s, early 80s. And it's one that if you're interested in knowing more about, feel free to reach out on today's Neighborhood Spotlight. It's a great neighborhood. I definitely recommend for y'all. Thank you for your time today, and see you next week for our new neighborhood.